Okay, in this snippet we're going to show you how to trim the top plate if you have the built-in conduit, which is a great option. Costs a little bit extra, but it's well worth the money. We send the top plates full length, and when you have this conduit you need to cut the top plates to fit around the conduit, which is okay because the top plates are really crucial to hold the panels together. Like you see the butt joint here, you need to screw here and here to hold them together, and they just kind of act as a filler along the rest of the run. And of course in the corners here where they intersect, that's where they need to be continuous as well. So you want to take your two wall panels, push them together tight with your hand or your helper. Once you get them tight, you put the two screws in to hold them down, hold them in place. 1, 2. Now you got the first two panels up and the structure's starting to take shape and get some form.